Hey guys, this is Dr. Joe and Luna with Inspire Chiropractic. Just want to talk to you guys today about the health benefits of gardening for you and your family. To start off, gardening is a great physical activity. Gets your body moving, gets you outside in the sun, fresh air, vitamin D, all that stuff is, really healthy. It can also be a really good stress reliever. And it also provides your family, fresh, locally grown in your own backyard food, whether that be vegetables or fruit. It teaches your kids how to be more self-sustainable. And I think that's really important nowadays because I think a lot of kids aren't learning that. And then also, gardening can help teach your kids about life and death. Plants in your garden are gonna grow, but then eventually they're gonna die. And also it kind of teaches your kids about setting goals. So, reaching those goals and not reaching those goals and learning from mistakes and things like that. So, gardening can be really important. Really important tool, to teach kids, while they're growing. They can learn a lot of lessons from it. You can do a lot of different types of gardens. Our garden here, we did raised garden beds. They're about 4 foot by 8 foot. We had enough room. Oops, I'm gonna move the camera. We had enough room to do that in our yard here. But I know when we lived in an apartment, we did little pots like this because we just had a balcony. I'll move Luna out of the way here. We just had a balcony, but we grew tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, all kinds of stuff in pots like that. So, any size garden you can grow is going to be good because you can teach your kids a lot of things from growing plants and growing their own vegetables. So if you have any questions about gardening, you can ask Dr. Becky or myself. We're not experts, but we can probably point you to some good resources in the community about gardening. You guys have a good day.